guys, and welcome to another episode. This episode is gonna be something short and simple. I have new hood lip support from the company Kunsyoukim. A link is gonna be in the description for this set. You can get this set in many colors. It's for any 2018 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. I chose red ones, red carbon fiber, and you can get black. You can get a lot of different colors, but I get these ones. Very simple installation. I'm going to show you my 2021 Toyota RAV4 how to do the installation. For this installation, the only thing you're going to need is a ratchet and a 12mm socket. You're going to have to remove the front 12mm bolt, and right there on the bottom, the front 12mm, you're going to need to remove that one as well. It's going to be that one right there. For the installation, you're going to have the brackets as well. This one is going to be left and right. Make sure that you get the right one. This one with the little bolt facing that way is going to go on the passenger side. And this one with the little bolt facing that way is going to go on the driver's side. Only thing that you need to do is remove the front one. You're going to get the bracket that is facing that way and put the bracket with the middle hole, and that's where you're gonna put your bolt. The only thing that you need to look for when you put this bottom bracket is the bolt. This little part right here, the long part, is gonna be facing to the front. So this one, if you put it like this, it's not gonna be right because this part is gonna be facing to the front. So if you put it like that, it's gonna be the right way. So this one is gonna go the same way like the bottom one. It's gonna be facing the bolt that way. So this is driver. Same thing with this one. The bolt has to be on the front. So if you put this one like that, it's gonna be on the passenger side. And once I finish the installation, I'm gonna show you how they look. Because if you put it like this, it's gonna be, the bolt's gonna be facing back. It's the wrong way. Has to be facing forward, and that way this is driver. Once you remove that bolt, you have to put your bracket, and your bracket is gonna look something like this. Let's see if it stays in place. If you can see the bracket right here, the metal part is gonna be hitting this side, so it's gonna be like this. Try to keep it flat right there, straight, and that's the way it's supposed to be, with the bolt facing that way but forward. When I start getting that bolt tight, the bracket, it was hitting the ratchet, so you can get a small extension or a deep socket. That one is tight and ready, and that one is tight and ready too. When you're ready to do this installation on this hood lip support, some of them they have little pins. These ones, they don't have the pins, they just have a piece of metal right here. Put your screwdriver right here so you can remove it. So it's gonna help you just to put it inside those little bolts. You can get a very small screwdriver, just put it in here on the back and just try to remove that clip. If you can see, hopefully you can see right there, I just press with my screwdriver, I pull and I release just a little bit that little clip, so I'm gonna be able to put it into the little bolt and secure it again. Just press on the back, it will secure. So you just put it on and press. Have it on there. Press on it, it will lock in place. Same thing for the bottom one, just put it right in place and push on it, it will lock in place. I cannot do this step with the camera in my hands. I'm gonna have to remove the little prom so I can put down the hood just enough so I can lock it in place. So be careful on this step. If you have somebody to help you, that's gonna be better. Just put it down a little bit and press on it. Yeah, it's gonna be better if you have somebody to help you, because you're gonna have to put the other one, and this one, it won't hold the hood by itself. So get somebody to help you on this step. Now repeat the same process on the other side. And that's it. We have both of the hood lip support in place. This is how it looks on the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. And everything works really good. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get this hood lip support. And I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.